And now in this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you create your Payoneer account simply and get your international remittance easily. So first of all, you will have to click on the link in the description. When we click on the link, you will see a screen like that in front of me. So here it is, sign up and earn $25 bonus. Actually you have clicked a referral link. By clicking on the referral link, and when you will earn money by Payoneer and withdraw it through Payoneer as your first payment, or I think about when you will withdraw about $1,000, then you will get $25 bonus. Here we are going to proceed. Let's start. Sign up and earn $25 bonus button, then you will see the screen like that in front of you. Here it is that individual and company. If you are working in a company or you have many members like working in a company or a large business, then you will have to click on that company. Because we are going to apply as an individual and freelance, then you will have to do. Here is the first name. You will have to select your first name as on your ID card. You cannot put your random first name or last name, right? And last name, my email address, right? Re-enter email address. You will have to re-enter that just because of verification, and your date of birth. You will have to select the year of birth. Like I have selected that 2001, and it's month of Feb and 14 Feb, like that. And I have to click the next button. Let's proceed. Here the next option, contact details. I have to put my contact details here. Like first one is country. I have to select my country name. From above is like I have selected Pakistan, and my address I have put it my random XYZ number. Your residential address including full street name, number, and other address details. Everything you should have to put it here. And there are two spaces. If you are not able to write complete address, then you should use the next line here. Then your city name and your postal zip code. Actually you can find your postal zip code by putting your city in the Google. Like I have put my city and next postal code. Here it appears as 64200. like you can see, this is my city's postal code. I have put it here. And now you should have to put your mobile number. When I put my mobile number here, I will receive a verification code. I put the verification code here and I proceeded to next voice box. Lastly, we had verified our mobile number by receiving verification code at that mobile number that we had given there, right? And now here is the security details. We will have to put our security details here. First, username is already taken, we cannot edit it here. I have entered my password here, re-entered my password. Here is the important part, that is security question. You will have to choose any kind of security question here, right? That you should have to remember that the reason of the security question is that if you are having any kind of problem with your account, then that security question will be asked from you. I have random put a security question, a security answer here. My country name again, because I have to verify my ID. You can verify your driving license, your passport. Here I am going to verify my national ID. I have randomly put a number here. Next option, first name in your local language. Actually, first name you should have to write all the name in your local language. Like we are in Pakistan, we are using Urdu as a local language, then we will have to use that language. Then another, I have to verify this password. Right, here is written F3592. I have put it and I have to select that next button. Okay guys, this is the last but not least step. This is a very important step, that here we are going to mention our bank account details, like here is a bank country, Pakistan. I have select Pakistan because I have my bank account in Pakistan. The currency, you should have to select that currency in which you want to receive your money. It is more preferable and better that you should have to select PKR, Pakistani rupees currency. It is a perfect. You should have to select that currency, right? And now here is the bank name. Select your bank name on which you have made your bank account. Account name is very important, that you should have to mention the exact account name which is on your bank account. And IBAN number is international bank account number. International bank account number is mentioned on your checkbook which you will receive from the Pakistani bank, or you want to check it by visiting your bank account branch near you, or you can simply go to your bank account website, or you can download bank account application. After verifying your details, you can check your IBAN number. I have randomly put the IBAN number, that's why it's not accepting. After putting your IBAN number, you can select these button, I agree, right? After selecting these buttons, you can submit this. Because it is an issue with my IBAN, I cannot submit. After putting your exact IBAN number, you can submit here. So this is the end of our video. If you have any problem regarding this IBAN number or further Payoneer account, then you can simply write in the comments, or you can WhatsApp me at the number which will I mentioned there. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel in the last. And thank you so much for your patience and watching. Thanks a lot.